Hey guys, Christina here. Today I'm gonna shoot Natalia and it's gonna be an amazing portrait session. Let's go! So all we use is natural light. It was a cloudy day and the light was completely soft and great. Here you can see me showing Natalia the first results. Yeah, that's a very important tip for you, because if you show the models the pictures, she could have a look and say yes or no. After some clean portrait shots, we decide that we should use this beautiful flower cage, which you can see in the background, right beside Natalia's head. And so we can get more romantic and vintage vibes in our pictures. Oh, I love shooting with a wide open aperture to create this smooth bokeh in the background. So here I use 1.8 to get the flowers in the background a little bit smoother. And so that Natalia is gonna be the star in front of the smooth flowers, you know what I mean? And again I'm showing Natalia the results and I'm so obsessed with her beautiful face, and she's laughing about my loving words about her. And yeah, it's so important to show the model the pictures, to talk with the model, because just if you do this, you can get amazing results, which you love and also the model loves. Every time when I shoot, I do this focus peaking thing. Means that you don't use your automatic focus to get a sharp point in your pictures, but you gonna focus the manual way, and with zoom in you get a perfect sharp picture even if you shoot wide open. Another tip is always tell some jokes, even if they bad, because if you talk with your model, you create a better mood, and a better mood means that you can get a better work. So always talk with your model, show the pictures, just be in move, because nothing is bad than a shooting where nobody talks. Yeah, I think you know which drama I mean. So now guys, I will show you what I mean with this focus peaking thing. So have a look right now. As you have seen, you can zoom in and get the perfect sharpness in your picture. And that's the way I photograph always. That's the best thing you can do. You can get the most sharp pictures in the whole wide world. I mean, it's perfect. I think you should do this. Believe me. So guys, now we are coming to the end. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, give me a thumb up. I would love to see your support, and yeah, see you next time. Bye bye. Christina K from Germany.